Welcome. Today we will discuss quadrilaterals. Let us take a figure. This is ABCD. This ABCD is a parallelogram. In this, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. So I will write AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC, and the parallel sides also equal. Just observe one thing, the angle between the two adjacent sides is 90 degrees. So angle A is 90 degrees, then its opposite angle, that is angle C, that is also 90 degrees, and sum of adjacent angles is 180 degrees. That is why if angle A is 90 degrees, then angle B is also 90 degrees. To get 180, definitely it will be 90, and angle D is also 90. Here what happened, actually ABCD is a parallelogram. In this parallelogram, one angle is 90 degrees, then it will become a rectangle. So the definition of rectangle is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degrees is called a rectangle. So the same properties will be applicable for the rectangle also. So then what is the unique property in the rectangle? In the rectangle, the diagonals are equal. Only one property, that is diagonals are equal. So the diagonals AC is equal to BD. How can we prove the two diagonals are equal? Let us draw the rectangle again. We draw the two diagonals. We will name them ABCD. Take the triangles, triangle BAD, comma triangle ABC. The triangles will be like this. This is BAD and this is ABC. Just observe, in both the triangles AB is the common side, and angle A is 90 degrees, in this angle B is 90 degrees. And AD side is equal to BC side, because they are the opposite sides of a rectangle. We got two sides and one inclined angle. So by SAS property, the two triangles are congruent. If two triangles are congruent, then easily we can write the corresponding parts. So the corresponding parts will be AC side is equal to BD side. Actually these are the diagonals. Like this we can prove. And we take one more. Observe this. ABCD. Here one angle is 90 degrees. So all the angles will be 90, 90, 90. ABCD is a rectangle. In this rectangle, the adjacent sides are equal, then it will become a square. So, a rectangle in which the adjacent sides are equal is called a square. For the square also we get all the properties from the rectangle. Then what is the unique property the square has? That is, in a square the diagonals are equal and perpendicularly bisecting. This is the unique property. We take one more figure. Just observe. Shall I say this as a rhombus? ABCD is a rhombus. I am saying that all sides are equal. Suppose in a rhombus, if one angle is 90 degrees, then what will happen? The opposite angle will be 90, then the adjacent angle will be 90, its opposite angle will be 90. So, it will become a square. In a rhombus, if one angle is 90 degrees, then it is called as a square. It has two definitions. So, rhombus has the diagonals are not equal and the diagonals are perpendicularly bisecting. So, in the square diagonals are equal when compared to the rhombus. So, the property which differentiates the rhombus is diagonals are equal, that one only. So, square is formed with the rectangle and as well as the rhombus. So, both the properties will be included in the square, and in the square if two diagonals are intersecting, then what will happen? This is one diagonal, this is another diagonal. We will name them A, B, C, D. These two are intersecting at O. We have known that diagonals are perpendicularly bisecting and equal. So, I will write AC is equal to BD. From the property of parallelogram, diagonals are perpendicularly bisecting. So, here also the same, but here extra is the diagonals are equal. Suppose AC is 8 centimeters, then BD will be 8 centimeters. So, what is the half of BD? 4 centimeters. So, that OD will be 4 centimeters and OB is also 4 centimeters. OA is also 4, OC is also 4. So, we can write OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. If two diagonals are intersecting, then four congruent isosceles right triangles will be formed. Now I will take two triangles and we have to prove that the two triangles are congruent. The remaining you have to prove. Again we draw the square. This is one diagonal. This is another diagonal intersecting at O. I will take the two triangles. Any two we can take. So I would like to take triangle AOD, triangle BOC. In these two triangles, AD is equal to BC. Why? Because they are the sides of the square. And OD is equal to OB. And OA is equal to OC. By SSS property, the two triangles are congruent. If two triangles are congruent, then we can write the corresponding parts are equal. What are the corresponding parts? Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, and angle OAD is equal to angle OCB, and angle ODA is equal to angle OBC. By proving all the four triangles are congruent, then we can get the angles as this is 90, this is also 90, OA and OD, these two are equal and these two also equal. This triangle AOD is a right isosceles triangle. Here the angle is 45 degrees. This is also 45. It is also 45. It is also 45. Like this we can write the remaining angles. So by observing these values, we can say one more property, that is, in the square the diagonals will bisect the angles from the two vertices which they join. AC, angle A is bisected with the diagonal AC, and angle C is also bisected. So like this we have to recall all the properties and we have to finish exercise 8.1. Thank you.